Everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable voice chat in Roblox for 2025. If you've been trying to get voice chat but it's not showing up, don't worry. I'll guide you step by step, and this works on both mobile and PC. First, open Roblox and go to your settings. From there, navigate to privacy and content restrictions. Scroll down to communication and you'll see the voice chat option. But here's the thing, many of you won't have this option available yet. If that's the case, I'll show you exactly what to do to get it. Next, head over to health and safety in your settings. On mobile, it should be right there. On PC, scroll all the way down and click help. In the help menu, type in voice chat, then click on the relevant article. Scroll down to the bottom, and when it asks, was this article helpful? Click no. This step is important because it lets Roblox know you need help enabling voice chat without submitting your ID. After that, scroll down to Need More Help, Contact Support here and click the link. Now you'll need to fill out the support form. Enter your Roblox username and email address. Select your device, mobile or PC, so they know where you're accessing Roblox from. For the help category, choose How To, then select How to Other. In the message box, type something like, "Hello Roblox team, the Roblox voice chat option is not showing on my account. Can you please enable it?" Be polite but clear. This tells Roblox exactly what you need without giving out personal information. Once you submit, wait for a response from Roblox. If they email you back, follow their instructions and confirm that you've done everything they asked. They will then enable voice chat on your account. The best part is, you don't need to provide your ID if you don't want to, so your personal information stays private. And that's it. By following these steps, you can get voice chat enabled in Roblox safely and quickly. This method has worked for many users and it should work for you too. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions. That's how you enable voice chat in Roblox easy, fast, and safe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy gaming.